Hello, my dear students. This is Archer, your friend and educator, welcoming you all to Silver Line Books by Turning Point Publishing House. This is My Green World for class 3, and we are going to begin with the very first unit of your books, that is about family, right? So we all live in a family, right? So what is a family basically, children? A group of people, right, who all live together, they love each other, they care for each other, and they live together in a house. Sometimes we have our aunts, uncles, grandparents. They are also a part of our family, but sometimes they do not live in our same house. वो दूसरे घर में रहते हैं, but still they are family. So सारे लोग जो हमसे related हैं, right? They are our family. So now let's study about different kinds of families that we have. So children, think of a friend or relative whose family you know. How is the family different from yours? आप क्या करेंगे? Think about anybody. आपका कोई friend है. What kind of a family does he live in? And what kind of a family do you live in? क्या कुछ फर्क है? हो सकता है you stay only with your parents and your friend. He lives in a joint family where he lives with his grandparents, his uncles, aunts, cousins, right? So there is a difference in the family members, people who live in a family. एक house में जो लोग रहते हैं, अलग-अलग लोग, different kinds of families में रहते हैं. So this is Ria's family. Ria is having fun with her family at beach. Ria अपनी family के साथ beach पर मजे कर रही है, right? So Ria lives with her parents, right? So she has a small family. So what is a family, children? The people who live with you at home are your family. The members of a family love each other. सब एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं. जो लोग एक घर में एक साथ रहते हैं, एक दूसरे की care करते हैं. I hope and I'm sure you all must be loving each other and caring for each other as a family. Yes? So this is a small activity for you children. You have to draw a picture, or you can also paste a picture of your family here, right? एक family picture, beautiful सी family picture you have to paste here, or you can also draw this. Clear? Now what you have to do here, you have to write the names of your family members and how they are related to you, right? So suppose you write the name of your mother, and here you write that what is the relation she has with you? She's your mother. So write your father's name and write here father, your siblings, your grandparents, right? Here you are going to write their name, and here you will write the relation they have with you. Clear? And now you will answer these questions about your family. Let's see, what are they asking? They ask, who talks the most in your family? They are asking this, कि आपकी family में सबसे ज़्यादा बात कौन करता है? उसका name आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. Then whom do you go to when you are in trouble? Whenever you are in some trouble, कोई problem में होते हो, तो आप किसके पास जाते हो? Who is the person that you trust the most? That person's name you are going to write over here. Number 3, whom do you go to when you are sad? जब आप sad होते हैं, तब आप किसके पास जाते हैं? उसका नाम लिखें. Whom do you share your secrets? आप अपने secrets किसके साथ share करते हैं? उसका नाम बताएंगे. And you will also tell us who helps you with your homework. आपके homework में आपकी कौन help करता है? Your mother, your father, maybe your elder brother or sister, or sometimes grandparents also help us with our homework. So that you are going to tell us all. Clear? Now children, all families are not alike. सारी families एक सी नहीं होती हैं. They may be different in some ways. Let us read about a few families. Clear? Different types की families के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. So firstly, we'll talk about a big family. Okay. Shipra lives in a big family. एक लड़की है, Shipra नाम है उसका, and she lives in a big family. Let's see whom she lives with. She lives with her parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins in Kolkata. So where does she live? She lives in Kolkata with her parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Right? Shipra has no brothers or sisters, but since she lives in a big family, she does not feel lonely. So Shipra का real brother या sister कोई नहीं है, but क्योंकि वो एक joint family में रहती है, एक big family में रहती है, जहाँ उसके cousins हैं, उसके uncles हैं, aunts हैं, she never feels lonely. उसको कभी अकेला feel नहीं होता है. Such a family where grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins stay together is also called a joint family, right? ऐसी big family को जहाँ एक बच्चा अपने parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, उनके बच्चे सबके साथ रहते हैं, ऐसी big family को we also call a joint family. Clear? Shipra's mother is a homemaker. Homemaker कौन होते हैं बच्चों? Person who manages the house, right? आपके काम करते हैं, आपके लिए खाना बनाते हैं. She takes care of you. She takes care of the person. Takes care of all the household responsibilities, right? So Shipra's mother, she's a homemaker, and her father runs a small business. उसके father का एक छोटा सा business है. Sometimes her mother helps Shipra's father with his work, और कभी कभी शिप्रा की मदर उसके फादर की हेल्प करती हैं in his small business. Shipra wants to be a pilot when she grows up. और शिप्रा बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहती है? She wants to be a pilot. She loves to listen to her grandparents' stories and play with her cousins. उसे अपने grandparents की कहानियाँ सुनना पसंद है, and she loves to play with her cousins. So children, when we live in a joint family, हम कभी भी lonely नहीं feel करते हैं, right? जब आप एक nuclear family में रहते हैं, छोटी family में रहते हैं, parents अपने काम में busy होते हैं, and sometimes a child is alone, उसका कोई sibling नहीं होता है, so that child feels lonely quite a lot, right? But when you are in a joint family, it has this advantage कि आप कभी अकेला नहीं feel करते हैं. You have your cousins to play with, you have your grandparents who love you, who shower their blessings on you, right? Who spend their time with you. So joint families are happy and big families. Now let's talk about small family. एक small family क्या होती है? This is Rahul and his family is small. शिप्रा की family कैसी थी? Big थी. राहुल की family small है. He lives with his mother, father and younger sister Gargi, right? तो राहुल जो है वो अपने parents के साथ रहता है और उसकी छोटी sister Gargi के साथ. His parents had adopted Gargi as a baby. So जो Gargi है उसके parents को उसके parents ने, राहुल के parents ने उसे adopt किया था, यानी she was born to some other parents, but जो लीगल प्रोसीजर के थ्रू राहुल के पेरेंट्स ने उनको गार्गी को अपनी डॉटर बना लिया, राइट? एंड नाउ दे आर गार्गीज पेरेंट्स. राहुल लव्स हिज सिस्टर एंड शी इज हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड. और राहुल भी अपने सिस्टर को बहुत प्यार करता है और उसे अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मानता है. राहुल्स मदर इज अ डॉक्टर एंड हिज फादर इज एन इंजीनियर. राहुल के मदर और फादर दोनों ही वर्किंग हैं. मदर डॉक्टर है और फादर इंजीनियर है. काफी बिजी रहते हैं दोनों. His father's work keeps him away from the family for weeks, at times even months. तो काफी हफ्तों के लिए कभी कभी उसके फादर को बाहर रहना पड़ता है. Sometimes for months he has to stay away from the family, right? जो लोग काम करते हैं, you know, they are sometimes so busy that they have to live alone. They have to live away from their family for some time. Rahul does not want to be an engineer or doctor when he grows up. और राहुल अपने पेरेंट्स की तरह इंजीनियर या डॉक्टर नहीं बनना चाहता है. क्या बनना चाहता है? He wants to be a teacher. वो एक टीचर बनना चाहता है बड़े होके. And he wants to teach blind children. वो ऐसे बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहता है जो देख नहीं सकते. A small family like this with father, mother and children is also called a न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, राइट? सो ऐसी फैमिली जहां बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं, कोई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, कोई कजन्स, अंकल्स, आंट्स कोई साथ नहीं रहते हैं. ऐसी स्मॉल फैमिली, ऐसी छोटी सी फैमिली को न्यूक्लियर फैमिली भी कहा जाता है. क्लियर? सो शिप्राज फैमिली वाज अ जॉइंट फैमिली, whereas Rahul's family is nuclear family. Clear? नाउ वी हैव अ सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली ऑल्सो, जहाँ पे बच्चे जो हैं दे लिव with a single parent. Either it could either be a mother or father, right? एक single parent ही होता है, ऐसी families भी होती हैं. So Rashi is one girl who lives in a single parent family. Rashi lives with her mother. Her mother works in a bank. उनकी mother, राशि की mother बैंक में काम करती है. Rashi has a pet dog called Champ, और राशि ने एक पेट डॉग भी रखा हुआ है अपने घर में जिसका नाम है चैम्प. Over the weekend she visits her grandparents with her mother, और वीकेंड्स पे राशि अपनी मदर के साथ goes and visits her grandparents. They go for picnics and movies together. और वो कैसे enjoy करते हैं? वो पिकनिक्स पर जाते हैं, साथ में मूवीज देखने जाते हैं. So they have fun time together on weekends. Rashi loves animals. She says she would like to be a doctor when she grows up. और राशि को एनिमल से बहुत प्यार है. She loves them and बड़े होकर she wants to be a doctor, right? So Rashi lives in a single parent family. उसकी सिर्फ मदर उसके साथ रहती है. So this is also one kind of a family, right? So जब हम एक फैमिली में होते हैं बच्चों, so what do? We love each other. We care for each other when we live in a family. So members of a family take care of each other. सब एक दूसरे का ध्यान रखते हैं. They do things for each other that show they care. वो एक दूसरे के लिए ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीजें करते हैं जिससे कि वो ये शो कर सके कि उन्हें उनकी फिक्र है, वो उनके बारे में केयर करती हैं. Shipra's grandfather helps her with her studies. शिप्रा के grandfather अपनी केयर कैसे शो करते हैं? He shows it by helping her out with her studies. Shipra helps her grandmother put medicines in her eyes. Shipra अपनी grandmother की eyes में medicine डालने में उनकी help करती है. Rashi helps her mother clean the house. राशि कैसे help करती है अपनी mother की? Since she lives only with her mother, उनकी घर साफ करने में help करती है. Rashi's mother reads her a story each night, और हर रात उसकी mother उसको stories भी पढ़कर सुनाती है. Rahul gets milk from the milk booth each morning, और राहुल हर morning milk booth से जाकर milk लेकर आता है family के लिए. Rahul's mother switches off the television so that Rahul and Gargi can study, और राहुल की mother जब बच्चे पढ़ रहे होते हैं she switches off the television जिससे कि उनको पढ़ाई में कोई disturbance ना हो. So what you observe here children, किसी भी type की family में हम रहें, whether we live in a joint family, whether we live in a nuclear family or in a single parent family, we all find ways to care for each other. We find ways to show our love and care for each other, right? So हम सबको एक दूसरे की help करनी चाहिए in whatever way we can when we live in a family. Clear? Now families, they also have fun together. They have entertaining times together. They go for movies, shopping, right? They go for picnics. So a family spends time together. Family एक दूसरे के साथ time spend करती है. Parents, grandparents and children often go out together. सब लोग मिलके as a family सब बाहर घूमने जाते हैं. They watch movies, they eat out or go for shopping, right? So fun करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, and as a family you all go together to have a great time. They also have picnics or attend family functions together. Family के साथ मिलके हम पिकनिक्स पर जाते हैं, और जो family functions होते हैं, festivals होते हैं, उन सब पे एक साथ इकट्ठे होकर enjoy भी करते हैं. Cousins, aunts and uncles who stay away from home come together for festivals, weddings and birthdays, right? So हमारी जो family है जिसमें हमारे uncles, aunts, grandparents हैं, अगर वो हमारे साथ नहीं रहते हैं, right? So कोई भी special occasions होते हैं, जैसे weddings होती हैं, birthdays होते हैं, right? कोई festivals होते हैं, तो सब लोग एक साथ मिलकर उसे celebrate करते हैं और quality time spend करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ खूब enjoy करते हैं, right? So I hope you have understood the different kinds of families that people live in, how they love and care each other, how they go out for having fun time together, right? So now let's begin with our exercise, children. This is a family tree. First of all, what is a family tree? It helps us understand how the family members are related to each other. एक family tree में सबसे जो elder members हैं वो ऊपर आते हैं, उसके बाद उनके kids, right? So it becomes like a tree. So ये tree कैसे चल रहा है? ये उनकी branches की तरह show कर रहा है. So this is a family tree where this is Suman and Ravi's family tree. So let's observe this and answer the questions that are asked from us. So here we have Mohan and Lata, right? उनके कौन-कौन बच्चे हैं? They have 2 daughters, Pallavi and Anita, right? Pallavi is married to Rohit and Anita is married to Rajesh. Clear? And Pallavi and Rohit, they have 2 children, Amit and Sia, and Rajesh and Anita also have 2 children, Suman and Ravi. So Suman, Ravi, Amit and Sia, ये सब क्या हैं? ये आपस में तो siblings हैं, right? Ravi and Suman, they are siblings. Amit and Sia, they are siblings. But ये दोनों, इन दोनों के क्या हैं? Cousins, right? ये cousins हैं. Pallavi and Rohit, they are aunt and uncle to Suman and Ravi. And Rajesh and Anita are aunt and uncle of Amit and Sia, right? And Mohan and Lata जो हैं वो इन सब के grandparents हैं और इन सब के parents, right? So this is one family tree. Let's look at it and I'll try to answer the questions that follow this. So who are Suman's parents? Suman के parents कौन हैं? Let's have a look. Suman के parents हैं Rajesh and Anita, right? When they ask who are Suman's cousins, Suman के cousins कौन हैं? Amit and Sia. Clear? How many children do Mohan and Lata have? Mohan और लता के कितने बच्चे हैं? Pallavi and Anita, Rohit, Rajesh. इनके 4 kids हैं. Clear? How are Rajesh and Pallavi related? Rajesh और Pallavi कैसे related हैं? They are brother-in-law and sister-in-law, right? Name Ravi's aunt. Ravi की aunt का नाम क्या है? Ravi की aunt का name है Pallavi, right? Who are Suman's grandparents? Suman के grandparents कौन हैं? Mohan and Lata. Clear? So this is a family tree जिससे हमें देखकर पता चलता है how the family members are related to each other. Clear? Now let's try and do this true and false, children. Number 1, the people who live with you at home are your family. Yes, जो लोग हमारे साथ हमारे घर में रहते हैं वो family होते हैं. True. Rahul's family is very big. क्या राहुल की family बहुत big थी? No, Rahul lived in a nuclear family. So this is false. Number 3, members of a family take care of each other. Yes, they do. True. A family does not spend time together. एक साथ time spend नहीं करते? करते हैं. False. A family attends family function together. Yes, it's the way of celebration for them. This is true. Clear? Now let's have a look at, choose the correct option and tick it. So first one is Shipra lives in. So children, here we have wrong options given. Let's correct this. Shipra lives in Chennai, Bengaluru or Kolkata. So yes, she lives in Kolkata. Gargi is Rahul's. Gargi कौन है राहुल की? Sister है, right? So Gargi is Rahul's sister. Number 3, Rashi lives in a dash family. Rashi कैसी टाइप की फैमिली में रहती है? Yes, a single parent family. Rahul wants to be a dash when he grows up. Rahul क्या बनना चाहता था? Yes, he wants to be a teacher. Rashi has a pet dog. Very good going, children. Right? Now let's come to D part. Answer the following questions. They're asking what is a family? What is a family, children? A group of people who live together in a home are known as family. How is a joint family different from a nuclear family? So in a joint family, we live with our grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins, whereas in a nuclear family, a child lives with his or her parents only. What is a single parent family? Single parent family is a family where children live with only one parent, be the father or the mother. Number 4, how does a family spend time together? So the family members, they go together for picnics, they go for watching a movie, they go shopping together, then they also attend birthdays, festivals and family functions together. So this is how they spend time and have fun with each other, right? Now there's some fun time activities for you children. Make your family tree on a chart paper. अब आपको क्या करना है, एक चार्ट पेपर लेना है और उस पे अपना फैमिली ट्री बनाएंगे. आप फोटोग्राफ्स लगा सकते हैं. सबसे एल्डर मेंबर आपके जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स रहते हैं घर में, सबसे ऊपर उनकी, फिर उनके किड्स की, उनके स्पाउसेस की, फिर उनके चिल्ड्रन की, राइट? सो दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर योर फैमिली ट्री. नाउ you have to put it up in your room, और अपने रूम में आप उसे लगा सकते हैं. Second activity is, which festival do you celebrate with your family? Write a few sentences about how you celebrate the festival, right? जो भी festival आप अपनी family के साथ मिलकर celebrate करते हैं, उसके बारे में आपको कुछ lines लिखनी है. Suppose you celebrate दिवाली, तो आप दिवाली के बारे में सब कुछ लिखेंगे. कब celebrate करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, exchange करते हैं, gifts exchange करते हैं, houses decorate करते हैं. A few lines you have to write about that festival. Then question number 3 says, ask your grandparents and parents about the kind of families they grew up in. अपने parents और grandparents से पूछिए कि वो कैसी families में बड़े हुए थे, nuclear families में थे, joint families में थे, या फिर single parent families थी, right? So उनसे भी जानिए कि वो कैसे बड़े हुए हैं, किस type of family में. And number 4 is, get the handprints of your family members on a chart paper. Ask an adult to help you get it laminated to make a nice picture. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कलर्स से आप एक चार्ट पेपर पे पूरे फैमिली मेंबर्स के हैंड प्रिंट्स ले सकते हैं. देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एडल्ट आप उसे लैमिनेट करा सकते हैं, फ्रेम करा सकते हैं, टू बी पुट अप ऑन अ wall in your house, right? Such a nice idea it would be. Yes. So try doing these fun time activities. Clear children? So we come to an end of this chapter. I hope you have understood it well. I'll see you in the next chapter with my next video. Till then children, you all stay blessed and keep smiling. Bye kids. Have a great time.